Hey y'all, Chef IrixGuy here, and this is why the flame grill burgers. You can see I've got the hottest part of my grill right there in the middle, and I'm kind of giving it a good sear. These are steak burgers. You can see this one that I've already seared right here. And I put it off to the side, and I'm going to let these flame grill for just, a minute or so, because it's important, and then that way that locks in the flavors. And also, when you flip it over, it shouldn't fall apart. But yeah, just look at that. And it goes without saying, make sure that you made your patties. It's good to use an egg, help things stick together. But this right here, man, the biggest secret, always sear your burger. And just lock in those juices. Don't make it fall apart. Appreciate your viewership. Be sure to subscribe. And if you're looking for the cast iron grates like I use, you can expand this video's description and then click the link there. Thanks for your viewership, and you all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain IrixGuy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.